Hello my friends, today I bring to you something really special from our favorite makeup artist Trish McEvoy. Yes, she has exclusive to Nordstrom these amazing holiday deals. Okay, what is this? VPA Collection Planner, limited edition, Nordstrom Exclusive, value $750 here. But right now, for holidays, again, we have a special price for you. Will cost you only $350. I know, but do you know how many items it's here? It's not 10, it's not 20, I believe it's 26 items in this beautiful makeup case or traveling case. Remind me a little bit Tumi design, and it feels like Tumi. And look at these details. In the back we have Trish. Before I start reviewing this amazing deal, if you like Trish McEvoy products, if you Trish McEvoy girls, please support me, give me a like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Not many people reviewing her products are showing, but I think she has amazing products. Again, we're gonna start with this beautiful makeup case or travel bag. It's not a small, it's a pretty nice big size. We have with you two sections here, one where you can keep your, say, skincare and makeup, and I have something very special right here. Okay, let's open. We have with you gold zipper. It's a leather handle. Again, in the back we have Trish. You know what? It's little details, but it's make me happy. It's make me excited. It's not your cheap brand. Yes, this is very luxury brand. I'm start opening. Please give me like. Love you more than ice cream. Okay, when I open. First time I say, oh my god, look at what we have with you inside. We have brushes, Trish McEvoy brushes. They look so beautiful. And you know what? I really like details in this case, because this case have this protection. If you will say brushes got a little bit dirty, this is we have like a plastic, it's clear one, it's not gonna make your case dirty. She's thinking about your brushes, she's thinking about me. I actually really like these details. We have a zipper here where you can put any products you like. Look at, I put in all her products here. It fits really good. Also, yes, right here we have a brushes with you, but we also have a room. You can put your lip liner, you can put your eyeliner. Yes, all these products, it's inside. You can put your lipstick, you can put eyeshadow. She has so much room here, so much space to put. You can keep your makeup, all your makeup in here. If you're traveling, you need it. If you want to organize your makeup, it's the best deal ever to organize everything. This collection have 26 items. Let me show you very close what's inside. This is a truly amazing deal. We have with you mini moisturizer, eye brightener, eyeshadow primer, 3 different eyeshadows. They're creamy, they're waterproof, they stay so good. Lip liner, eyebrow pencil, tubing mascara, eye brightener, and I love this lipstick. Then we have with you a perfect face palette. This is its palette. It's so pretty, and all these products in this palette, it's refillable. We have with you 2 blushes, transparent powder, and underneath we have a 2 different bronze makeup bag, little mini makeup bag you can take with you when you're traveling or put in your purse. And look at these brushes. Oh my god, this is incredible deal, incredible price. I think if you are a fan of Trish McEvoy products, you must have this. Remember, this is limited edition set. It's exclusive to Nordstrom. DM me, but let me show you how to use these beautiful, beautiful products. I already showed you first section where you can keep your brushes, where you can keep your eyeliners, and now let me show you this section. It's a pretty big section. We have here zipper where you can put or keep more items, and inside we have more makeup with you. We have with you a sponge, and this is one of my favorite body wash sponge. It smells so good. If you're not yet familiar with Trish McEvoy fragrance, she has amazing fragrance collection, and her #1 fragrance, it's #9. It's a sponge, and inside of this sponge it's built soap, and it's scented like her fragrance, #1 fragrance, #9. Oh my god, it smells so good. We're gonna start with first item, and this is your instant eye lift. It's not concealer, it's your eye brightener. She like to apply like angle way or triangle. It's a little bit too much for me. I like to put right here in the corner, little bit right here, and I actually also like to let this product little bit sit under my eye area. I feel like it's giving me a little bit more coverage, and then I don't even need to use any concealer. Second item, it's eyebrow pencil, and I love how small and tiny this pencil. It's a perfect pencil for fill your eyebrows where you need, and this is its color natural. Eyebrows, it's done, but not all the way. Now I'm gonna show you one of my favorite product personally from Trish McEvoy, and it's eye brightener shell. Why I like this? It's a very light color. It's a neutral with pink undertone color. This set have a small tiny traveling size of moisturizer, and it's your illuminating smoothing illuminating moisturizer. You can use this moisturizer day and night. Have a little color, not much, but again, if you're looking for some glow, good hydrating, you will love this moisturizer. And again, you can use this day and night, or you can use this moisturizer by itself because it's gonna give you lots of glow. Today I'm gonna skip eyeshadow primer because I'm gonna use 24-hour wearing cream eyeshadows from Trish McEvoy. I have a 3 beautiful color here for you, and because they stay so good, I don't need primer. It's your, I will say, cream eyeshadow and primer together, and you can use this also. Eyeshadow is your eyeliner. And let me show you this eyeshadow really close. First colors, it's a rich brown, and it's your matte color, and it's a perfect name, rich brown. Then I have a topaz, and this is color, it's a brown color, but have a lot of shimmer, not sparkles. It's more like metallic brown color. And then we have with you, it's a rose topaz, beautiful peachy orange undertone eyeshadow. If you're a long time with me, you know it's not I'm just reviewing products. I also gonna show you how to use them. This is the lightest color and I apply it on my lower lid and I pushing this color little bit up. It's lift my eyes, it's pop my eyes. I have a blending brush. I'm gonna just go all over this eyeshadow and little bit soft. Look at this, it's only one color, but I think it looks so pretty on me. Comments below, let me know, do you like this one color or not? Again, this is just one color and this is it's your rose quartz eyeshadow. Second color, it's topaz. I'm gonna apply right here in the corner and I'm gonna create a crease. And I apply like letter C. Now I have a blending brush and I'm gonna slightly soft this color. Also, let's apply this color little bit underneath, halfway. And you know what? If I mentioned before, it looks like more brown undertone. I actually feel like it's like a brown with little bit khaki undertone color. This eyeshadow look very easy and quick. I have a small tiny brush from Trish McEvoy number 72. This set do not have this brush. This is I purchased long time ago and I am just putting this rich brown color on my brush and I'm gonna apply this deep brown bright brown color, close to my lashes. And I'm finishing this look with Trish McEvoy Large Curling Mascara. This very unique formula. It's not your regular mascara. It's your tubing mascara. How to remove this mascara with warm water. No cold, warm water. You don't need eye makeup remover. It's a smudge proof mascara. If you have a problem with running mascara or sometimes we're joking like raccoon eyes, you need this. Let me know in the comments below, do you like this simple look or not? Let's continue. Let me show you how to use this Double Deluxe Refill Compact with translucent finishing powders. Then we have with you blush, and can be your blush or highlighter. Remember, these products, it's refillable. And underneath we have with you one of my favorite two items from Trish McEvoy. Eye brightener is one of, and these two bronzers I really like. One it's cream and another is a powder. I look a little bit pale. Let's take care of my face. I have this brush. It's very unique brush. Personally, I'm gonna use this for my cream bronze, but I feel if it will be a good foundation brush. I like these products don't have any scent. Also, it's sulfate free and paraben free. Okay, I'm using little bit bronze close to my hairline right here, and underneath, don't worry about this, we're gonna blend. I'm just applying right now product. My bronze is done and I really like this color. Now let's set my makeup with this transparent powder, and I'm using this big face brush, and I'm not sure about this brush. Okay, let's try. It's little bit dancey for me, this brush, but it's okay. When I'm traveling, I can use this. But for every day, I actually probably will use this brush for cream blush or even for foundation. Wow, I actually love this transparent powder. Give me this beautiful blurry effect. I forgot, I used to love this powder. I don't know why did I stop using, but this is its good powder. Okay, we have here, I'll say 2 blushes. I really want to try 2 of them. And I'm gonna use this eyeshadow brush. Let's use this light color, and I actually wanna apply this color right here. Ooh, this is actually very pretty. It's extra pop, and believe me or not, if you want your cream eyeshadow stay all day, don't run, don't crease, I always like to put little bit any eyeshadow on top. Let's try this brush and this blush. Oh, it's so pretty color. I like it. And now I'm coming back to my favorite bronze section. This is its bronze and this is its highlighter. Usually I like to mix them 2 together, but today I want this like extra soft natural glow. I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna use this light color right here. I hope you can see it's so soft, very nice. And now it's time to take care of my lips. Where is their lip liner? Long wearing, very neutral color. And look at this beautiful lip color. So pretty color. I think it's a new color. It's number 3, Gentle. Okay, let's try. Let me know in the comments below, do you like this look or not? If you are new to my YouTube channels, please subscribe. And if you are big fan of Trish McEvoy beauty products, you like her, please let me know, comments below. I will create more and more video with Trish McEvoy products because she has so much beauty products I would like to share with you. I would like to show you, but I don't feel like so many people making any video with Trish McEvoy products. What it means, I need your help. And I actually realized, I believe I made mistake. I told you it's a sponge from scent number 9. It's a sexy number 9 blackberry vanilla musk body sponge. This smells so sexy, beautiful. We have here vanilla, we have mandarin here, we have patchouli. It's such amazing products. And on the end, like I always say, love you more than ice cream.